These are the available puppies from Lulu's litter. These reds are both females. This is Teal. Well, right there, that's Teal. And then this is Pink. Hi. Yeah, what are you doing? Hi. Hello. What's up? And then Navy Collar is back there chewing on the blanket. That's the male. What y'all doing? You can run around now. Yeah. We got you little steals. Got some still images. So these are the two girls. The boy was up here a minute ago, but he is busy, obviously, back there. He has found him a blanket. What y'all doing? Your little ears are just too adorable. There he comes. What are y'all doing? He's fascinated with the blanket. What's up? What's up? What are you doing? Why don't you put some grunting into it? Oh, little girl, you about licked the camera. Yes, you did. Miss Pink, you about licked the camera. Hey, baby, what's up? Hi. What you doing? Yeah, gonna chew on my fingers? Yeah. Little brother is just having a party back there. Ow, ow, you got teeth already. That was a little sharp. What's up? Hi. What do you think? Yeah? He's about pulled it down. What are you doing back there, little troublemaker? What you doing? Oh? Oh, that 18-wheeler got everybody looking, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah, you have about destroyed my photo area there, buddy. Say, that's what pups are good for. Y'all are being awful subdued at the moment. That's a cute picture. I wish I had my camera. I'm trying to take some steals off of that. How you doing, baby boy?